ChargePoint announced their earnings today, and the stock is higher as Q3 earnings topped estimates for revenue. Now, before we get into the analysis and look at the charts, because it's a pretty ugly one, I do want to get into the actual news. So the company reported better than expected revenue for the third quarter, sending its shares higher. The EV charging network provider posted revenue of $100 million, surpassing analysts' estimates of $93 million. However, the company continues to lose money, and they lost an adjusted loss per share of 18 cents, which was slightly higher than the 17 cents loss as expected. Also, revenue declined 10% year over year, but came in above the company's own guidance range of 95 to 105 million. Subscription revenue grew 19% year over year, while networked charging systems revenue fell 29%. So here's what the CEO, Rick Wilmer, had to say. They're encouraged by record EV sales in the industry and will continue to see network utilization driving the need for more charging infrastructure. Third quarter results exceeded their expectations and demonstrated that their strategy, focus on operational excellence, and rigorous cash management are translating to tangible results. Now, the company does end the quarter with $219 million in cash. Company also has a $150 million revolving credit. So this is good in case they need that cash flow to run their operations moving forward. Nevertheless, let's get into the charts. You have a couple of markers at $6, and I don't see why I marked that $6 level. $3, and you can see that price was rejected on two different occasions. To be specific, back in November and December of 2023. And this dollar round psychological number, which is my target. Going down to the weekly chart, you can see that price is leveling off. Momentum is dying. And you do have divergence between price making lower lows and the RSI now making higher lows. So this is good news. And once upon a time, the moving averages on the weekly chart were really far apart. Now they're much closer. You did have a crossover and another crossover to the downside. That's just indicating that the momentum to the downside is continuing. Again, big picture though, price is leveling it off. Despite when we go to the daily chart, we can see price broke down from this sideways price action back in early November. However, price is basing now. So how would one play this? Let's scroll back out to the daily chart. Aggressive investors, they'll get in now, put a stop at $1 or maybe $1.90. Conservative investors, what they want to see is price continue to round about. For the ultra conservative investors, what you want to see is price shoot higher on some type of increased volume, pull back, retest the origin of the strong move higher, and then shoot higher from there. So what's the long-term target? Say for 20 and 2025, it's going to be roughly this $2.40 level. That was where your most big level support resistance occurred. However, it is good news for investors or people that want to get in. The lows are in. Could price go lower? Yes. But the lows in general are in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.